What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Ham's Tech and it's Techtober. We always got some new tech in the house. And today we have here Huawei's Freebuds Pro. So what we're going to do is unbox this. I'm going to teach you guys how to set this up with your phone to, enable the settings because it's a bit complicated, a bit messy, but I'm going to get through this and also going to tell you my general feel, how it fits in my ear, the sound quality, and of course the major feature here, the ANC. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here we have the Freebuds Pro. I'm just going to show you the packaging. I do really like it. It's very premium, very nice. And over here, mainly their main feature that we're looking at is the intelligent dynamic ANC that we're going to try out. I'm pretty excited to check this one out. So open up this plastic and let's open this bad boy up. Very nice packaging. I'm going to put here, and yes, it does look very nice. Right now, I'm actually currently just using the Galaxy Buds Live and I'll just show you guys. So here we have the Galaxy Buds Live, and yes, I put on a case for this. This is from Spigen, and to be honest, it does really look very nice. It does have that impact over here. And let's just take this out and then you can see for yourself, it does have that matte finish. And this one as well, it has that nice matte finish to it. And the size is about the same actually. Let me just take this one out as well. As you can see, about the same size. Of course, this one is a bit wider, but who cares? It's just a small difference. It's still pretty easy, I would say, to put inside a pocket. So we're going to take this out and check what's inside the box. All right. You get your cable and stuff and your your silicone tips, I would assume. Yes, silicone tips. One of it just fell off. And your manual books and stuff. So that is what you're gonna get over here. Let me find where's that silicone tip. Okay, it's pretty much lost. But anyway, let's get back over here. And it does look very nice. It does have that Huawei logo over here. And let's just open this up. Okay, it's a bit hard to be honest. It's quite hard actually, to be honest, to take this out. It's quite slippery. And the magnets, let me just take out the magnets. Yeah, the magnets are pretty strong, but it's a bit too strong, so it's a bit hard to really take out the buds from the case. So if you're the type of guy that's very fussy, you're always on the go, you want a good pair, I wouldn't recommend this. The Buds Live is so much easier to take out, just pop and you're done. So what you want to do for the first time is connect your Freebuds Pro to your phone. You can use the normal Bluetooth way just to connect everything, and that's the whole way, but then you cannot change the settings. And what you want to do is download this Huawei AI Live app. And the problem with this is that if you download it from the Google Play Store, even the latest version will give you this, the 305. And that is not what you actually want. You want to download the latest one, the 308, because that one will enable you to connect your Freebuds Pro to your phone. So as you can see here, it does say 308. If you go 305, like I said, it will not. So what you want to do actually is just go Google, go find an APK for the Huawei app gallery. There isn't any problem for me to download it. Don't worry about the virus or whatever, you will be able to. And what you want to do from there is you just download the app gallery and then you search it in and you find the Huawei AI Live app. So let me just show you. I already have downloaded this Huawei app gallery here. And what you want to do, you have to download some other stuff, I guess, but even without downloading, I was still able to. Huawei AI, that's right. What you want to do is just download this and that's what you're gonna get. So once this is all paired up, it's very easy to set up. Actually, it's very fast. And in this app here, you can do a lot of settings. You can do your updates. And more importantly, you can go for your noise control. So you have three options here: noise cancelling, off, and awareness. So you have your shortcuts here. You have pinch. Basically, you cannot change these settings. Pinch once, answer call, play music. Pinch twice, reject, or play next song. And if you pinch 3 times, I will show you guys how to pinch. So basically, you just do all this and you will get your job done. Here is where you want to change your ANC. So if you pinch and hold, take note of this one here. Pinch and hold on the bottom, not on the top, because I used to press it on the top. I find out it's on the below there for your noise control, and you can activate like voice assistant or whatsoever. And over here you have your noise cancelling, your off, and your awareness, which basically and it controls the level of ANC and the voice around you, which is pretty cool, which you can test out a bit later. And of course, you have your swipe to adjust your volume. So very simple, very easy. So one thing very nice here is they teach you how to tip fit test. So basically what you want to do is you just put the earbuds with the silicone tips in your ear. You just go continue it, they'll play some music and they will tell you which one fits the best. So I'm going to test it out for you. You have to put both of them into your ears. So I may be speaking a bit louder because I cannot hear much. So what you want to do is start, and they will play some music. And then they will tell you here, adjust position or try on a tip or it's a good fit. So it's very good to tell you, how to wear your earbuds. It's much easier compared to the Sony WF-1000X M3 that was so complicated with 10,000 apps. This one here, everything in one. And you have your wear detection. Like over here, you have this smart wear detection. So basically, if you're playing some music, playing some shows, you take out one earbud, it will stop playing. And if you only put it in the case back, it will continue to play. If you just leave it on the table like this, even you press many times, it will not play. You have to press it over here, which is something I don't really like. So I off this actually, the smart wear detection, and it's actually better because the music will still play while you take out one earbud. And yes, lastly here you have all your updates. You want to go for your Freebuds Pro, and it's pretty cool. So another thing you can do with the Freebuds Pro is if you have a Huawei GT2 Pro, what you want to do is go to settings and then go to earbuds, and you actually search it. So if you put some music into your Huawei GT2 Pro, you can pair this up and you don't even need the phone to go out. You can just do everything with these two devices over here. So here's the Freebuds, and you will notice there's two slits on the top here and also two slits on the bottom over here. So what you want to do most of the time is focus more on the stem over here. And basically when you want to pause the music, answer calls, you want to adjust your volume by sliding up and sliding down. This is what you want to do. And also to pinch and hold to activate your ANC, about 3 modes. So yes, focus more on this side. You will not feel much of a clicking now, but when you put it in your ear, you will hear that click sound when you're pinching this earbuds over here. And one thing very good about this is you can take out one at a time, and then you can point it at your direction and use this as sort of a microphone when you're calling someone. So to improve accuracy, this one comes with a 3 mic system, so probably voice system or that will be pretty good when it comes to mic. So each of these earbuds will give you about 7 hours of playtime with ANC turned off, and the charging case will give you a total of about 30 hours, I would say, which is very, very decent. If you turn on ANC, of course, it will be reduced all the way to 4.5 hours, and the charge case will only give you about 20 hours. So overall, it's still very decent, very good. Latency on this, I checked, and it does give you Bluetooth 5.2, and I checked out with some movies and some games, and you know what? It's really awesome because there's very, very minimal lag using the earbuds and what you're watching. So if you're planning to use this for gaming, I would say yes, do this. Like the Sony ones weren't so good, the Buds Live weren't so good, but for this one, latency for gaming is really good. So when it comes to connection wise, it's pretty decent. I got about 50 meters, which is actually a good average. You can go a bit further if there are no walls hindering you, but 50 meters is a good range, and about 100 feet. So don't worry about this. If you bring this to a gym, just bring it out and you'll still be playing. And now what we're going to do is just test out the sound and test out some music and test out the fitting of it, the ANC. I'm going to let you guys know how it goes. Alright, so we have the Freebuds Pro over here, and what we're going to do is just connect it and see how fast it connects to my phone. So take this out. It's a bit hard to take out, like I said. Let's put it here. It's already connected, very, very fast, already playing. This is with ANC fully on. I barely can hear anything. I cannot hear any table tapping. Wow, it's pretty good. I can hear a little bit of myself. I cannot hear all these things. Fitting in my ear, you can see there, it's actually fitted very, very well in. You can see I move like a madman. So I think if you're gonna bring this to a gym, it's alright because it will still fit in very nice. It's very snug fit because it's silicone anyway, so it will fit. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to press the buttons over here, and then I'm going to show you how fast it just connects to my phone. So over here, single tap, and it's already playing play, so it's a bit some time. Double tap, goes to the next clip, very fast. Triple tap. Yeah, see, you can see that's very fast. So volume up, yeah, you can see that, very fast. Then volume down, yeah, it's very responsive, very fast. I like that. And pinch to hold for your ANC. Awareness, so yeah, I can hear a little bit more. Then let's try one more time. Yeah, I can hear a lot more. I can hear my clap and everything. So yes, it's actually pretty good, I would say. And yes, the moment I take it out, it's already stopped being played. So ANC and everything, yes, it's really, really very good on this. Music-wise, that's the most important part. Let's get into the music. Music sounds really good, very clear. Bass is very nice. You can't really change the settings over here, so you have to go to your normal phone app, your Dolby Atmos or whatever to change the equalizer. They don't really have that yet on this app, which I think they should add in the future. But music on this, if you want to get good music, yes, buy this. They have like some 11mm drive to it for your bass, so it's actually pretty good. So I would say music-wise is good. Bass is really good because I listen to a lot of like Dance Monkey, a lot of bass music, a lot of what's the music? The Score, Imagine Dragons, those kind of music. So if you like those kind of music, you will enjoy it over here. Clarity is good, mids are good, highs are good. So I really feel that this one over here is a very good true wireless earbuds for you to get in 2020. It's very, like I said, the ANC on this is really, really amazing, and I'm going to give you my full review after using this for a bit. It has USB-C charging and also has wireless charging. I forgot to mention that earlier, so you can just pop it on your back of your phone. Like me, I like to pop all my stuff back on my phone and it does charge up. And look at the design, it's so similar to certain stuff. Yeah, I'm not going to mention, but yes, you know where they got their design from, and you have your button over here to reset. You have to press it for 10 seconds. I forgot to mention all this. So yes, press this for 10 seconds, it will reset and then connect your device. Or you can just click it twice and then it will go into pairing mode. In terms of the user experience, it's actually pretty good on this. It's much more lighter on the ear, it's not very bulky, and it fits very well on the ear. The Sony one didn't really fit, so I kind of didn't really like to use it, and I would say I do see myself using this a lot. So that is it. This is my first-hand experience with the Freebuds Pro. If you did like this video, do click that like and smash that subscribe button down below for more videos like this in the future. Also, do leave a comment down below if you're thinking of getting this. Let's have a nice chit chat over there. Or if you're already using this, leave a comment down below on your experience, some trips, some tips there. Just leave it down there and I'll check it out. Also, do follow me on my socials as well on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also here on YouTube at Dr. Humpstack. So that is it. This is Dr. Humpstack. Stay safe, take care, and wash those hands.